This is Austin with Gallegos Plumbing, performing a private sewer lateral inspection at 1452 Orchard Drive in the city of Ojai. I am roughly 92 feet out from the 4-inch ABS cleanout that I accessed in the front planter. I'm currently looking at the city connection towards the center of the street, and I'm going to start pulling back towards the home. During this inspection, what I'm looking for are any offsets, root intrusions, cracks, breaks, or sags in the sewer line. That's our city connection there. We're pulling in the 4-inch clay. These joints here are what we're going to be inspecting for any of those deficiencies. So that's what we want the joints to look like as I'm pulling back. As I get closer to the home, there are multiple joints with root intrusions in them. Here at the 74-foot mark, this is our first root intrusion. You can see it kind of catching onto my lens here. And then on the top left at the 73-foot mark, we have another one. Then here at the 67-foot mark, we're going to have another root intrusion on the 66-foot mark. So here again at the 61-foot mark, we have another root ball. 57-foot mark, we have another root intrusion on the top of the joint. Here at the 52-foot mark, we have another root intrusion. At the 47-foot mark, another root intrusion. .43-foot mark, root intrusion through the joint. Again at the 38-foot mark. 33-foot mark. Root intrusion at the 23-foot mark. So because of the amount of root intrusions, this will be required to have a full replacement by the Ojai Valley Sanitation. So we will follow up with estimate for epoxy liner installation on this sewer line, roughly 90 feet of pipe. 8-foot mark. And then as I pull back here, I'm going to come out my 4-inch ABS cleanout that I accessed in the front planter. I'm going to wipe off my lens. So here's my cleanout behind this bush here in the front of the property of 1452 Orchard Drive in the city of Ojai. And that completes my inspection. I'll follow up with estimate for repair.
Hey there. Good, how are you?